Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here. I've been patiently waiting to come out to the greenhouse because, you know, I was devastated when I lost everything. So I'm out here today and I'm moving about 90% of my seedlings in the greenhouse on a cloudy day where they can acclimate as the sun comes out in the next couple of days. The lemon and lime trees still have some green. You can see where I scratched that bark off there. And this one looks like it's dead right in here, but then when you go down a little bit further, you see a little green. I don't think this one's going to make it. It's almost bone dry. I think this one will make it. As you can see, I scratched some green off here. Well, I'm not worried about it. Whatever's going to be is going to be. And this is the table that I usually put my seedlings on. As you can see, we started pulling some of the plants up. They're dead. I really don't like coming out to the greenhouse because so many plants die, but you know what, guys? I grew it before, I can grow it again. This Miho Satsuma is looking good. It could take a temperature around 20 degrees, so it will go out soon. Hey guys, I'm doing an experiment. It is 74 degrees in my home. I think about 60 outside. I'll double check and put the temperature in the video. But anyway, I didn't need to put these in the greenhouse yet because the temperature was over 45 degrees. And since I only have one thing so far that looks like it's going to survive, and that's a calamandan tree, and it could take temperatures down to 24, I decided to test these in the house today because I turned the heat off, and I'm just going to see, will this keep all of these seedlings warm enough for the entire day? Because as the day proceeds, it's supposed to get a little warmer, up to 60-something degrees. So I'm giving the furnace a break.
Hey everybody, I'm going to fill this if it's on.
You're going to test it? Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead. Now that one we just moved to another position, so it's not as warm. This one is hot. Don't keep your hand on a long time there. Okay? Much warmer, isn't it? And the proof is right here in the thermometers. It's still warm in the house. And right in this area is 75 degrees and the other one says 76. I have two monitors, guys. This monitor, this reading here is that monitor right there. See that little white thing? Put your hand on it so it can show up in the video. That is the wireless monitor for the 77 degrees. That's consistent. Okay, so far so good. And I mean, it really throws out a lot of heat. I put a larger fan in here on low where it will hit all of the plants in the first two rows, and I'll use the smaller fan at the bottom because everything is going out to the greenhouse and the greenhouse windows will be open. I'm always amazed how the fan looks in a video. It looks like it's going slower than it actually is. Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather, and it's raining all the time. Oh well, we tried. It's hard to say goodbye to the gazebo, but I think I'll get a retractable awning next time. To say goodbye to the gazebo, but I think I'll get a retractable awning next time. The first seedlings out in the greenhouse, so they will have more humidity than they're used to. But I bought an assortment of seedlings out here. That way, if something goes wrong, we have another catastrophe like the Arctic freeze we had last week and they died, well, I'll still have some in the house. And anything I need to pot up, I'm gonna start bringing it out here because I'm rearranging and reclaiming my living room back the way it used to be. So we have tomatoes, marigolds, different varieties of tomato, sunflower, okra, basil, beautiful basil growing, smells wonderful. And a lot of different zinnias, morning glories, electors. So I have a lot of other stuff in the house, parsley and dill. Things that didn't look like they were strong enough, I didn't bring them out. Okie dokie.
The end.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye now.